Hello, this is Tachibana Software Company coming at you with another unboxing video. Today we got a Samsung 860 Evo 1TB SSD. We got it on a pretty good deal, so we went ahead and picked one up. Probably for security, this is not one of the easiest boxes to open. There we go. Most SSDs these days only come with an SSD and instructions. Yep, that's exactly what this came with. Some basic instructions, multiple languages, just a plastic carton tray with the SSD. Alright, thank you for watching with us today. See you next time.